She gon' do whatever just to keep that baby. Better scrap up and pull out yourself. My life ain't regular at all. Mike Vick, I grew up fighting my dog, and we were like brothers. Every other day we was out there touching. Every other day I was getting locked up, sitting on the block hoping nigga pop up. And if you ain't gon' shoot, go and put your Glock up. Stay in the house for your Glock get took. In the street, this shit ass for an ass. Some niggas make it out, some niggas die. Some niggas snitch just to get their time, cause they fake love. Fuck a nigga man up and laying up, and fuck a nigga grand up. Gotta know how to go get you some money. These niggas paralyzed, knee legs. You ain't stepping out here, then you gotta be running. I dropped the low, man, they gotta be coming. Pussy ass niggas ain't coming. When shit get hard, gotta be built for it, should turn you to a man. Lost my nigga, that shit hurt me, cause we grew up out the same. I done robbed niggas out they pants, came around me playing. 17, I hit for 30 grand, blood out on my hands. Mama told me they want straight, I just kept letting them in my car. Hard beat, but that shit don't do nothing but leave you with a scar. Start listening when they talking, they just wanna see you get fought. They just wanna see you on top, they know them niggas round gon' flop. I asked them niggas for some help, they start acting like I'm worse. Pull a nigga to the side, they still gon' take that combo personal. Now your dog caught a body, pulled up dumping on them smirking. Before I take that Percocet, I ain't stop by churches. I'm trying to see who working. The police currently in the trap. I been by myself, ain't trusting shit that come out niggas' mouth. I been trying to rap, take care of my family. BET, I need a Grammy. Trying to put some palm trees up in my yard like in Miami. I started rapping to feed my family. What's wrong with them niggas? Said you gon' help a nigga win. What's wrong with them niggas? I looked at you like you my kin. What's wrong with them niggas? Now I'm back treating you like a friend. What's wrong with that nigga? They needed help, they called my phone, I made the shit happen. Hate to see niggas down bad, I just want them for happy. I put it in they face, they bumping me, move like proactive. She hell nigga, I'm all her pictures, don't find it attractive. But you look good though, probably just a regular little hood hoe. Probably out here selling pussy, making it look good though. Let's get back on the subject. This nigga out here acting heavy on me, but he nothing. I take that real responsibility, out here being a man. I pay my own bill, take care of my kids, like what you saying? I got these niggas scared, they throwing rocks and had in their hand. I would've kept him around, but he wasn't sticking to the plan. Got some niggas in the can, they really fighting for their life. Red car, they working out, pop it out, they swinging ice. I just flew this little bitch in, she feel like I'ma change her life. I just need her for some night, tomorrow be on the first flight. This song here for all the niggas that hate on niggas. Get your money up, take some time out, be with your family, pick your mama up, get her nails done, let her smile, nigga. Quit looking for her hands, like you ain't no child, nigga. When shit get hard, gotta be built for it, should turn you to a man. Lost my nigga, that shit hurt me, cause we grew up out the same. I done robbed niggas out they pants, came around me playing. 17, I hit for 30 grand, blood out on my hands. Mama told me they want straight, I just kept letting them in my car. Hard beat, but that shit don't do nothing but leave you with a scar. Start listening when they talk, they just wanna see you get fought. They just wanna see you on top, they know them niggas round gon' flop.
Damn, I'm gonna hit a nigga in his ass out. Hey, bullshitting. Come on, move this traffic, nigga. I got him up on this motherfucking hood, nigga. I'm trying to do something, man. Get out the way, bitch. Fuck out my motherfucking way. God damn it. Tell them folks move around, man. Them folks had to move around, man. Real talk.
Run that back, Cloud.
My nigga.
Them Harris too. What you doing?
Out playing games, man.
Come on now like this.